everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Susan Timchak here, aka Stampin' Sue Creates. I excuse me, I am a Stampin' Up independent demonstrator. I'm here to do a little unboxing for you. Actually, the box came yesterday, July 23rd, which is my birthday, but I didn't have a chance to come up and do a video for you, so without further ado, I figured I would do the video now. So all I did was cut the packaging, and many of you know it's kind of hard to do the unboxing right out of the box, but we'll see. We got lots of bubble wrap. Whew, stuck to the box. My kitties like to play with that. So here we go. Look at all the fun goodies in here. So let's take a look and see what did I get. You know, when you order these, it takes about a week to get from Utah to Pennsylvania. So you sometimes forget what you even ordered. So let's take a look here and see. Well, it looks like I ordered 2 packs of the blades for my Stampin' Trimmer. So in each pack you get 2, so I got 4, so that should hold me for a little while. And I am going to do a video. I saw another demonstrator, I believe it was Frenchie, and she was showing how to use a nail file to get more use out of your cutting blades when you know, they get a little dull, or maybe when you're going to cut your paper and you kind of find all those little fibery things at the end. So I want to give that a try and see how that works for me, and then I'll share that with you. So we have a Big Shot Tufted Dynamic Textured Impression Embossing Folder. And look how pretty that is. It makes it like a tufted look to your cardstock. And who is up here with me? My Dory is here. Aurora must be downstairs and along with Tommy. So she's already checking out the bubble wrap. So this is one of those thick folders. And look how pretty that is. Can you see that? So it's like a quilted design almost. And I thought that I would get a lot of use out of that. Well, we see Stampin' Blends, right? Here we have some cellophane bags. These are the 6x8 cello bags. And I like to put my card kits in there when I send things out to you when you make a purchase through my online store. And use the host code for that month. I like to give out free card kits. So you'll want to check on over to my, sorry about the crinkling, to my online store at stampinsucreates.stampinup.net and see what this month's host code is for July with a $50 purchase or more. And you use the host code, I will be shipping off to you a free card kit. And you'll also get some a free little thank you customer appreciation gift from me as well. So look at all of these Stampin' Blends. These are all the new colors that Stampin' Up came out with. And, well, I was trying to decide, should I get this, should I get that, which one should I get? Well, yeah, I got them all. So I have ones already, the ones that were in the previous catalog, and these are all the new colors. So how fun are they? I can't wait to start playing with them. And I did get a new color lifter, and I don't think I got any other repeat ones. I did get one of the this is the lovely lipstick. I did get one during the on-stage event, but that's okay. You can never have enough lipstick, right? So that is what all of those are, the lights and the darks. So again, I apologize for all the crinkling. Oh, look at, oh, the cabana. Oh my goodness, I'm just so excited. It's like when you were a kid and you get a brand new pack of crayons and you open that box up and, oh, well, I don't know about you, but I like to smell crayons. I love the smell of crayons, Play-Doh, all that freaky kind of stuff. So what do we have here? This is something new that is coming out next month for customers. But if you take advantage of the $99 special for the kit, you'd be able to order these ahead of time. This is a new assortment of watercolor pencils. So you can see I'm going to be, let me get my scissors here. I'm going to be doing a lot of coloring between my Stampin' Blends and my new watercolor pencils. This is the same thing, goes all along. Oh, that's hard to cut that. With getting a new pack of crayons, so is getting a new pack of watercolor pencils. And look at those beautiful colors. Oh, can you not stand it? So you're probably wondering, what are the colors? Well, let's take a look at the back here. We have Cherry Cobbler, Flirty Flamingo, Cajun Craze, Crushed Curry, Granny Apple Green, Garden Green, Coastal Cabana, Balmy Blue, Night of Navy, and Gorgeous Grape. So those are going to make a great addition to the watercolor pencils we already have. If I can only find mine, you know. Yeah, it's one of those things that I put it somewhere so that I would know where it was, but, well, you know how it is. Where did I put it? I don't know. But I'll find them. No worries, I'll find them. So here, what else? Well, I figure with all of these new Stampin' Blends and watercolor pencils, I need to get some more cardstock. So this is the shimmery white cardstock, which is great to use with watercolor pencils, as well as the Stampin' Blend. So I got a pack of that. And I also got Whisper White. This is the thick cardstock. So sorry about the little glare there. That's from my little light that I have here. So many of you may have seen those little pop-up houses I was making. You're best to make things like that, any kind of basic cards, if you're not doing a lot of additions of layers, to use the thick cardstock. It holds up really well. It's also great when you're doing the watercoloring, and also when you're using the Stampin' Blends, because it has more thickness to it than our regular Whisper White paper, which, of course, I have to get a pack of the Whisper White cardstock as well. So, yeah, I know, not too exciting as far as what I'm showing, but let me get this out of here. The cats will be loving to sit in that. But I'm very excited. I'm very excited let me move this out of the way so you can get a good look at all of these beautiful Stampin' Blend colors. Can you not, like, stand it? So it's great that Stampin' Up! Packages them all separately, but it's going to be a pain in the back end because I have to go and take them all out of these sleeves, which I think I can do. So that, the new watercolor pencils, I'm just going to be having a blast doing a lot of coloring. And here comes Aurora. Aurora, would you like to say hello? She's not barking today. I didn't even want to almost say that, but I'm going to say she's not barking today. She's being a very good girl. So anyhow, that's it for my unboxing. And I'm going to log off here now, and I'm going to head on over to my stamp table and do some creating tonight. And I'll pop on those videos as soon as I get them done. So thank you so much for joining me. Please be sure to go ahead online to my store at stampinsucreates.stampinup.net if you're interested in ordering any Stampin' Up! Products. And if you have any questions, you can email me at stampinsucreates@gmail.com. So, and check me out on Facebook too at Stampin' Sue Creates. You'll want to go ahead and become a subscriber to my YouTube channel as well. So anyhow, have a great day. Stay dry, because here in PA it has been raining cats and dogs. A little concerning to me, being I live near the river. So keep me in your thoughts and prayers. All right, everyone, have a great night. We'll talk to you all real soon. Bye-bye for now.